Okay everyone, I hope you can see. Sorry about the text on the windscreen, but it's the only place I can mount the camera. But we're at Mobil in Porirua, and we're going to film something that I never thought I'd get to film today, which is the LAST Ryko UltraClean in Wellington. Now, I said previously that I couldn't film this car wash because my car was too small for the machine. But I've got a different car now. The Holden Barina's gone. I've now got a Ford Focus, which is much bigger than the Barina. Well, I say much bigger, it is bigger than the Barina. Oh, there's somebody in there already. Okay, well, we'll wait out the way. Okay, we'll have to wait out the way here. But this is the UltraClean. Now, this machine's due for replacement at some point in the near future, probably. Here we go. I might actually be able to reach the pin code without having to get out of the car for once. So here we are. Probably just park this for a minute. So yeah, this is the LAST Ryko UltraClean in the whole of the Wellington region. There used to be loads of these things around, but this is now the last one. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. So this machine's been here a long time. It originally had the same brushes as this, light and dark blue. And then I think around 2009, 2010, the brushes were changed to red and dark blue. And then in 2018, the brushes were changed again and they put these light and dark blue ones on. But they have had quite a few problems with this machine over the years. It has been prone to faults, it has had issues, but I believe that it had some repairs done a few months ago and it should be working okay now. And also, like I say, I've now got a bigger car because I've now got a Ford Focus, an automatic car. And so, yeah, I am really looking forward to this. Oh yeah, we'll get right into it. Proper noisy. Okay, this could be quite tricky. I can reach the buttons for once without getting out of the car. 17717. 17717. Driving to wash now. Okay. This is a little bit tricky because I've got this at a bit of an angle here. So be very careful. Where the hell are the lights? I can't see them. Stop, and we're in. Park and engine off. Here we go. Just look how exposed all the various bits and pieces are on these old UltraClean machines. Not very much in the way of soap here. This is more water. I'm not sure if this is actually soap or just water at this stage. Old machine, what can I say? So that machine's just gone all the way to the back. Is it even touching the car at this stage? Well, we're going. Oh, there's water being sprayed as well. Wow, plenty of water spray. Oh God, did you see that? The centre of the brush did clip the wing mirror there. I really should have pulled the mirrors in. It's too late for that now, and this car does not have electric mirrors. That's probably my fault. Top brush. To be fair, my car does actually need a wash, but to be honest, I'm filming this car wash not necessarily because I care about how clean the car actually is afterwards, but more because this is perhaps the last opportunity to film it. Let's have a look at the brush on that side. There is a wheel brush down there, but probably can't see it with all the water jets. The thing with these 5 brush machines, there's always so much stuff going on, it's hard to really have a look at it. Yeah. I know there's a little bit of a chip in that door mirror, but don't worry, that's not the car wash, that was always there when I bought it. So I bought a $16 car wash, which is the top wash package here. Mobil, especially around this area, Mobil tend to be the cheapest. I mean, there's no Z car washes in Porirua, there's only Mobil, BP and Caltex. I think top wash at BP's 18 for a soft care, and I think it's 17 for a laser wash at Caltex. That's about. Blimey, there's another car behind me waiting to come in. It's interesting. This car wash actually doesn't get a lot of use most days, but I saw someone using it this morning. There was someone in front of me. Now there's someone behind me. That's very unusual. The car windows are steaming up a bit, but that also happened at the last car wash I filmed. But that was actually in the other car. Now we should be going on to dry. Nice big... Yep. Nice big UltraClean logo. Oh, yes. Yep, you don't get contour drying on these old Rykos because they don't need it. Try and clear some of this. I've got a cloth here. You can just see the wheel brush down there. I'll just get my seatbelt on because I don't want to be holding up the car behind me while we wait for the machine to come back, because we can't really see anything at this point. And I'll just clear some of this off the windows. Don't know why it's steamed up. Maybe it's just the temperature at the moment. It is the middle of winter. Okay, time to get out of here. Drive. No putting it in gear anymore because I'm driving an automatic car now, not a manual. One of the staff there. It's probably just checking that the machine's working properly because there's such a long queue. There's another car waiting in the line as well. Right, well that's been it for this Ryko UltraClean. There's nothing else to say. I think it's due for replacement sometime in the next month or so, but it's already been delayed twice, so it might not happen. But I think they're going to get an Istanbul MNEX 22, but I'm not sure. We'll just see what happens. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you next time.